Hello, my name is Chris Evans. I'm one of the directors of engineering at Cooper Perkins, here with a quick tip for how to stay safe if you need to go back to the office. So we're pretty used to working from home these days, which comes with some really nice side benefits, but access to tools is not one of them. So if you need to go back to your shop to get work done, how do you stay safe? This is one of the things that we do at Cooper Perkins. When you show up at the office, you get one of these bins. And as you work during the day, as you grab tools, you put those tools in that bin, and at the end of the day, you've got one place to go to clean all the tools that you use during the day. So that does two things. It makes sure that the next person who uses the tools has clean tools to use, and it puts the tools in the right place, which is frankly something we could do better at anyway. So as you go back to your office and back to your shop, be productive and be healthy. Good luck.